Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So it is looking like we have a bit of a range. I just want to clean out these levels here because that is top of range at the moment. We've rejected it 3 times, although this last rejection is happening during the Asian session, so I'm not really reading much into that. We are looking for an opportunity to buy into this. That's the bottom line, and I don't see anything really to the downside that is on the 8 hour at least. So this is a level to the downside which we need to pay attention to, which is 4,300. Okay, this 4,350 is a key area as well. So let's just see what's transpired. Yeah, we've had a daily close above 4,350. We're now coming back to test it at the moment. So I'm going to just add a 3 hour level here. That would be a fairly decent stop area. 43.43 would be a fairly decent stop area. I think I can add there on the 3 hour. Let's have a look at what the hour is saying. So yesterday was a bit messy. We had the Fed minutes come out, which always just creates a little bit of algorithmic trading, and that's pretty much what happened. At the moment, there are big sellers. There's buyers coming in, still scaling high, and if you just draw a level like that, you'll see you have a flat top triangle forming. So this, to be quite honest, is a fairly decent area for a long as we stand right now. Maybe may drop a little bit lower. So this 43.47 or a 43.43 area is a fairly decent area for a long setup with a stop below 43.30. So that would be a fairly decent long setup. Target at the moment, if we break through this, there's a couple of measured moves here. So the first one is for this weird looking inverse head and shoulders cup and handle, and that's over there. So that's your first measured move, okay, which is 44.04. So 4,400 is definitely the one that I'd be paying attention to. And then your second measured move is this move up. We've consolidated, we've pulled back. So that would be your first target area there. Okay, so looking for longs, entry should be somewhere in this area we are now. We have to wait for the European Open, but then we're looking for 43.80 and then ultimately 4,400. For me, I think 4,400 is probably the right way to go. May not be today or tomorrow, but definitely that is in the next week or so. We are looking for 4,400. And after that, it's decision time. I would expect at least some kind of a pullback from a level like that, so people take profit when they get there. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm still looking for longs. Advise you to be looking at the 15 or the 5 minute to pick up those longs. You can't do it with noise. That's noise, you can see. But yeah, that's basically what I would suggest. Just get down to the lower time frames and look for some structure on the lower time frames, and then you've got really tight stop areas where you can get in and have a fairly decent risk to reward. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.